Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sonos Beam, quick guide step by step clearly. Unbox the Sonos Beam and ensure all components are included. Place the Sonos Beam in a central location close to your TV. Connect the power cable to the Sonos Beam and plug it into a power outlet. Use the provided HDMI cable to connect the beam to your TV. If your TV lacks HDMI ARC, you can opt for the optical adapter included in the box. Download the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Sonos app and create a new account or log in to your existing account. Tap on Set up a new Sonos system. The app will prompt you to plug in the Sonos Beam. Follow the instructions in the app to connect your Sonos Beam to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will guide you to set up your TV remote for easy operation. Select your audio settings within the app to personalize your listening experience. Run the TruePlay tuning feature to optimize sound based on your room's layout. Allow the app to walk you through measuring different spots in the room. Once the setup is complete, test the sound by playing your favorite content. Adjust settings as needed, including volume and equalizer options. Your Sonos Beam is now ready for use with superior sound quality to enhance your entertainment. Enjoy your new audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.